Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme 9 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro camera tricks and features on this device. So let's go ahead and open up the camera. The first, trick or tip or feature, call it how you want, is the fact that you can go ahead and change the aspect ratio of your shot. So basically what the aspect ratio is the proportion in which the length and the height of your future picture, photo or video will relate in each other. So right now there is 4:3. The current aspect ratio is 4:3. You can make it a perfect square, so 1:1, or very standard and default format for the majority of displays and screens, which is 16:9. Or you can just go ahead and make so that the full display of your smartphone will be the viewfinder, basically. So choose exactly what the aspect ratio fits your needs best. I'll get back to the 4:3 standard one. Alrighty. The second tip is the fact that you can go ahead and enable the very useful tool that is called the grid lines that allow you to evenly split your shot into like even parts, even squares, or even parts in general. And it's a very useful tool if you want to improve your camera game a lot. It will allow you to take more intelligent photos and pictures, I would say. In order for you to activate the grid line, just open up the settings, just exactly like I did. Go to the grid and guides, and here you can go for the none. You can go for the simple grid line. As you can see, our shot is being simply divided into even squares. There is other two grid line options like diagonal lines, which will look just like that. Or we can also go for the, let me get back to the settings real quick, golden spiral, which will look exactly like so, as you can see. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the next tip, which is the fact that you are able to enable or disable respectively the two alternative shooting methods. So go to the settings of the camera, choose shooting methods, and here we have either tap to capture method or show palm. I'll show them both. So let's activate those two shooting methods and start with the first one, which is tap to capture. So all you gotta do once this mode is activated is to tap anywhere at the viewfinder, and the photo should be taken. As you can see, it focuses and takes the photo. And the second shooting method that we have just enabled is called show palm, and basically it makes so that all you gotta do to take a picture or take a photo is to show palm to the selfie camera. So let's flip our camera right now to the front camera. I'll show my palm, and once it got recognized, as you can see, it sets up the timer for 3 seconds and then takes the photo immediately. So if you think that the mentioned shooting methods is something that you could use, we highly recommend that you go ahead and turn them on. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the fourth feature, or should I say tip, which is the fact that you can go ahead and enable the leveler, which will make sure that you are holding your smartphone straight. As you can see, this line appears, and if I'll tilt my phone, it will show that the phone is tilted. So if you want to take the photos which will be somehow, or should I say somewhere, parallel to the horizon, you can go ahead and enable the leveler feature. So you'll be sure that you are holding your phone straight and it is not tilted by any means. And the fifth and final tip for this video is the fact that you can set up some quick launch scenario for your camera. Just go to the settings again, look for the useful features section, and here we have the quick launch. Once activated, it allows us to open the camera even once our smartphone is completely locked, simply by double tapping on either of the volume buttons. So you can use the volume up button, or the same goes for the volume down button as well. So very convenient quick launch feature to have, so you will not be necessarily obliged to unlock the phone, or at least get yourself to the lock screen and then tap in here in order for the camera to open. You can just take your phone straight out of pocket and activate the camera as easy as this. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful or interesting or useful, don't forget to leave the like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!